Okay fellas, here is the goody oldie Makita brushed circular saw, and this one is just not working. Okay, let's check. Is the brushes or it's some more problems here? Okay, the brushes looks good. Okay, the second brush looks good too, so what I want to do now, I want to open the handle to check the switch and the controller. Okay, this one don't want to be opened. Okay, nothing looks melted here or something. Okay, so the switch. Okay, nice driver. The button, we can hear the click sound. Okay, for the for the brush holder, we can see the wires are melted. So this one's seen some good abuse. Okay. And what can we see here? We can see that the negative wire is almost burned out. Okay, the yellow holes here. This one is burned, so overheated. We'll check the switch. We have the micro switch here. Okay, the black wire goes here to LED driver. The second black wire goes here. Can it be that the left terminal is damaged? Okay. Okay, so the switch is working and the wires overheated. so probably it's a controller fault, and I need to check the price for the controller. Okay, got the replacement part. You can see the part number here, and this one can easily be ordered on my shop. Welcome to my shop. Just visit it, browse it, and buy or not. Basically, it's your choice. Okay. What we have here? So we have the new controller will be here. Okay, and we have the yellow wire. This yellow wire. Probably we can connect it. Okay, the yellow wire goes here. I will just connect it here. Of course, if you want, you can do that later, and all the wires will be connected. It's no difference. Okay, let's make sure that it's holding good. And I have the spare wire from the controller that was faulty, and I will put it here. Of course, what we need to do, we need to get it together with this tiny black wire and the new controller black wires. So I think I will just solder them. Let's put a shrink tube or the toner tube, I don't know how you call it in your country. Okay, let's get this one. Now let's check what is the easiest way to join them. Maybe like that, or over this one, and then put the tiny wire on them. And of course we need to solder everything. Just holding it a little bit longer to have the nice coverage of the, how do you call it? How do you call it in English? Okay. So now, as the wires are connected, we can put this tube. It will shrink nicely from what here. Okay, I hope you love it, because I love it. And now we have tiny red one and tiny purple maybe. Okay, let's check. So tiny red one goes here in the middle. Where's my nice bare screwdriver? I love bare screwdrivers. They are just perfect for jobs like that. Okay, and now the gay one. Yeah, even some wires are melted a little bit together, so this one it was really getting hot. And yeah, the customer tool that made a hard cuts with this one, and now he will know that it's not to be done with this saw. Okie dokie. Let's check how you look now. Okay, now we want to get all the wires nicely in the housing gaps. Okay. Okay, so this one, yeah, I have it in place, and yeah, this plastic piece is just melted, so yeah, it broke. Of course, that's not a big loss for us. Basically, it's not lost the old controller. Yeah, the switch don't want to be here because the wires is lifting it up. Let's just try to make it stay in place. And now we need to put all the wires in the gaps. Okay, for this one I will take the black wire here, the red one goes here, the yellow one, and this will go here. Okay, probably we have the wires in place. Okay, we are getting the warranty sticker here. Let's put a switch here. And trying to get a spring here nicely. Okay, looks not bad. Checking the wires again. The wires looks good, so the tool must be closed easily, or I hope that. Okay. And let's check. Maybe I have some screws missing here. Okay, I got all the screws, found it. Okay, I know because assembling it the week after the assembling, so okay. Okay, don't have any screws. That's not a big problem. I'll just get some screws. Okay, and now I can go to the washer. Okay, now goes the nut probably. It's not moving, it's moving, okay. The holding ring. Let's let's insert the bushes. Okay, we have the bushes. Now we can check if it spins. It seems that it spins. We have the battery. Nice. Works like a charm. So now I need to find a couple of screws here. So only 2 screws seems to be missing. I don't have them on the table. Okay, for you, don't forget to press thumbs up and subscribe to my videos. Of course, welcome to see my online shop. You will find a link in the description. And for now, thank you for watching and bye.